Hi guys. So today we're going to talk about maps. When I last saw you, we were learning about maps and we had a map of Pickaway County and Circleville, and some of you went on Google Maps and found your homes, and that was a lot of fun. So remember, when we look at a map of the United States, if we find the Great Lakes, so here's the United States on our continent, and we said if we find those Great Lakes, we could find Ohio. So Ohio's right about here where my arrow is. But today we're going to go even smaller. So we had talked about our county and our city. Now we're going to talk about our street. So there's some different formats that maps can be. So here's an electronic map that you're probably used to if you're in the car and looking for directions to get somewhere. And then there's paper maps. So we are going to make a paper map of our street or our neighborhood, your choice. So if we look at this picture, there's a bird up in the corner, because when you look at a map, from above, it's called a bird's eye view. Sorry. And so if we're looking above, we can see over here are some apartment buildings. There are some houses. We can see the streets that the people are driving on. There's sidewalks, and in the back, there are trees. This looks like it might be a little creek, perhaps. Maybe a little playground right here. So those are some things you could include on your map if they are in your neighborhood. So let's go from that picture of the neighborhood to a map. Okay, so up in the corner, you can still see the picture from that bird's eye view. And here is a drawing of that same neighborhood. And you'll need to make a key, and you'll need a few different colors. So they're using blue rectangles, and they're a little bit bigger than the red rectangles to represent the apartment buildings right here. So you might have apartment buildings on your street or in your neighborhood. And then the houses are represented with these red rectangles, and you can see they go around the street just like in real life. And then the forest behind those houses. And they've also included the streets. That's the gray squiggly lines and circles. So today, take a walk down your street. Maybe take a piece of paper and a clipboard and take some notes. Maybe there's a fire hydrant you want to include, or something interesting in your neighborhood or on your street. Or maybe it's going to look just like this. You're just going to put houses and the roads and a few trees. So if you're looking to get outside, you can make a map of your street or your neighborhood. If you do it, send me a picture. I would love to see it. Have fun. Bye, guys.